residents of FCT and Nigerians as a whole, and gentlemen of the press. I have only 3 matters to address you today. Others are still waiting. Number one is that about 2 weeks ago, Aminu Ibrahim, the son of Vice Admiral I Ibrahim, a former Chief of Naval Staff, was robbed and killed in Maitama area of Abuja. And his Prado SUV removed. So today, I want to inform you that ABDULRASHEED MUHAMMED, look at him here, ABDULRASHEED MUHAMMED, who is, you can interview him. He said he's a naval officer. It's him that killed the boy and took the SUV, the Prado Jeep. We have recovered the Prado Jeep. Here, look at it up there, that black Prado Jeep at your back. This is him that did the killing. So, the second one is the unprovoked attack on the police officers and men at the Worcester Junction of FCT by the Islamic movement of Nigeria, a prescribed group by the government of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. After the attack on the policemen, and they killed 2 policemen and wounded 4, including a woman police who were in the hospital. We took action because we can't enjoy it. If you check here, you can see what we recovered from them. Some of the cutlasses you see here are blood-stained, which they use in killing the policemen. They shotgun at the policemen. They use petrol bomb. They use cutlasses. If you see their dead body and how they were massacred, you will be shocked. So you have to follow them up. These are the cutlasses. Some of them are blood-stained. We recovered it from some of them from their headquarters in Suleja, in Karamajiji, in Uruga Juli, in Nasarawa State. So you can see what they do. You can see the drugs they used to take, drugs they take. So look, if you turn back, you can see all of them there. We have about, we have 94 of them here. 94, they are here complete. They are prescribed, they don't have right of assembly, and they don't have right of even protest. So, because they have been prescribed, we have asked them that for the fact they have killed the policemen that did not attack them, their leaders are here, is a matter very soon we'll take up on them in the courts. Investigation is about to be completed. They are prescribed group, they are terrorist group. That is the second one. The third group are this group. Stand up. These two young men are twins. They live in Lube. They are due to, you can interview them. They live in Lube. What they do is they will go to ATM gallery. If we show you the video of what they do, they will go to ATM gallery and pretend that they come to withdraw money. They have different ATMs with them. Every bank ATM they have. So if you come to withdraw money, if you see they see you that you are elderly or you are naive of the workings of the ATM, as you are about to do, one of them will tap you behind. As you turn back, the other one will collect the ATM from you and give you another ATM of the same bank and ask you to slot it in. Once you move, they will use your own to withdraw the whole money in the account immediately. The second way they operate is that when they discover that you are naive, they will tell you, give them, let them slot in for you. They will slot in at the wrong place. He will tell you how they used to do it. So when they slot it in, your PIN number will show. They will tell you that the PIN number, your ATM is not working well. You should go to the bank. They will soon be charged to court. They're a terrorist group. They will soon be charged to court. Others know. I don't want to say what we are doing. But as far as they have been prescribed, we are acting it fully without fear or favor, affection or ill will. As far as the police is concerned, and the other security agencies, they have been prescribed. They don't have right of assembly, and they don't have right of protest. That's the truth.
Sir, before you end it, sir, you said they don't have rights of assembly.
Yes.
And, some of them have gotten lands and good locations in certain places around FCT, and they are residing there, acres of land, having hospital and schools there. What will police do as regards to that if they don't have rights of assembly, but they have such facilities?
What I know is that the IMN, Islamic Movement of Nigeria, is a prescribed group. So, if they have hospital as Nigerian citizens that has no inscription of IMN or Shiites, is a different organization. The operation is different. But if they are linked to them as Islamic Movement of Nigeria, we will go after them immediately. That's what we are doing. Yes.
Years ago, the PPRO of the force headquarters announced 97 arrested suspects for this of this group, and today you are telling us that there are 94 here. I want to know whereabouts the 3 suspects from that 93.
We are still screening others. We screen. If these ones are not involved, we will release them. We have screened. It is after screening we have gotten the 94 that are pure members.
Sorry, sir. Simply, sir. Look your finger, sir. Among the 94, I saw one small girl.
Whether it's, I don't know what you mean. How do you know? Are you a doctor? How can you say somebody is underage when you are a journalist?
He said it's 9.
Yes, a 9-year-old is among.
That's what he told you. Good. You are not doctor.
Underage, you carry knife. Underage, you carry cutlass. And he's killing somebody. Underage cutlass.